In this video, I'll give you the answer to task 17 and share with you another fun fact about myself. So watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button right now. In task 17, I asked you to complete 3 things. So let's review the answer for those tasks now. I'll give you 2 examples from my own SLR paper to answer this task. Let's see the first example here on the screen. You can pause the video and read this carefully. Can you see how I have gathered the statistics and articulated them to highlight the problem we are dealing with and how it shows the importance of doing this SLR paper? I used stats from Deloitte in this example. You can do the same or find stats from somewhere else, either Deloitte, KPMG, EY, or anywhere else. Just do this at least so that you can find some relevant statistics that will be helpful for you. If you cannot find from these sources, then look for newspapers, magazines, or trade journals. Okay, let's move to the next example now. Again, pause the video and read this carefully and digest this. You can get more ideas by looking at this example and then make your own template. What I suggest is you can start making a library of sentence types that you can also use in the future. As an academic, you will write many research papers in the future, so this library will become very handy for you. I hope you have written something similar. So today, by completing this, you have finished one more subsection of your SLR paper. So be happy and celebrate this achievement. To celebrate this, I know what you're going to do. You're going to hit that bell icon right now so that you'll be notified of all my future videos. So do that right now. Okay, now coming back to the fun fact about myself. Did you know I had actually enrolled for a Bachelor's of Computer Applications degree through Indira Gandhi National Open University, or IGNOU, when I was in India. But I did not complete it because I finished my other bachelor's degree first and I got admission into Masters of Information Technology at University of Newcastle in Australia. So I did not finish that, but I moved to Australia and then completed my degree in IT. That was the fun fact about myself. Okay, now that completed this task, I have 2 video suggestions for you. If you want to check the next task that you can do after this, click on the left video. Otherwise, click on the right video to see what YouTube recommends you should listen to. All right, thank you very much. And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video. Bye-bye.